Alright y'all, got another video for you. I'm going to try to install a carburetor on this Ryobi C430 4-cycle trimmer. It doesn't start up at all anymore. When it did start up, it would start up and shut off after a little while, and I could never just keep it running. And then also we had looks like gas leaking from the carburetor here, coming from the outside. So I ordered parts from Amazon. The link's going to be in the description. So it comes with all these parts. I'm probably not going to use all of them, but it comes with, I think, more than what I need. Some bolts, primers, gasket, filter, the fuel lines, spark plugs, another gasket in there. Anyway, I'll leave the link in the description if y'all. Only costs, I think, $16 for all this. Not expensive or anything. Snap off this little part here. Definitely some screws here I'll take off. Looks like 2 of them. Right there. Right there. Got the long screws out. Got them out. It comes right off as soon as you do that. Go ahead and take the lines off here next. Attach the cable here. Definitely had to pull the carburetor off. It was kind of tight on there. So the cable connection here is kind of funky. This is the new carburetor, but the cable is not going to fit like this. As this thing turns, you can see this little piece here sticking out. So I'm gonna have to make some adjustments or something, or just use their old trigger. So I took this piece off of the new carburetor and used the old piece because I don't like the way this cable connects to this right here. It's just not fitting right. Use the old piece here. So old piece here, new carburetor, new gasket. Install it in a second, right there. I had to make sure the gasket lined up with this the screw here, top and the bottom. I'm just gonna tighten everything down. And also, as you can see right here, the cable fits perfectly on the old one. I am gonna change these lines though out with the ones that were provided, so I will do that in a second. So the fuel line is not going to fit because that yellow fuel line that I had on there is really thin compared to the one that you can be replacing it with. You can see the difference. Got a difference there. Not gonna fit on this top piece, which is right there. I already tried it. It was just too, my line was too thin. So I'm gonna switch it up. I'm gonna have to feed that line through this gas tank, which I have to empty real quick. Alright, so the fuel line wasn't fitting in there. So I'm changing the fuel line out and the fuel filter, which means you gotta feed it back through. So I'm just using a string on the other end of the string, maybe a paper clip. I'm just gonna connect this fuel line, the filter in there, and just pull it through. Okay, so I fished it through. Somebody's using their weed whacker right now. I fished it through. I made it, no problem. Got it. Had to adjust this hole, make it fit. All right, works like a charm. Had to make some adjustments. The spark plug did not fit, so I just used my old one. It was actually a new spark plug anyway, but this kit that I ordered online, this spark plug does not fit. I don't know why this end piece is like this, because that's not standard, at least not for this one. But anyway, new carburetor put on, it works perfectly, sounds better. There's like a fuel adjuster knob right here. You can adjust, I guess, how much fuel is coming in there. I did have to adjust that because it sounded really rough at first, and I had to tighten it so the screw was further in, and I guess it allows less fuel to get in there, and actually ran a lot smoother. Alright, comment, like, subscribe, stay tuned.